I'm coming.
That one. I'm hit. Low health.
Dude,
Still getting shot at.
what the
Oh,
fuck?
so much stuff. We don't want
Dude.
to lose it.
Making a key
Yeah.
lock. I got a base. The guy hasn't even locked it. He's gonna be back in
I
a
think
minute.
I'm gonna get it. Oh my god, I can't believe I got away from that. I don't even know if I have yet.
There's two of them. I'm dead. I'm dead, but I got their base. It's ours. I'm dead.
Instead. Oh, I killed him!
Fuck off.
Oh my god, dude, they're fully geared. Have all this stuff.
What the fuck?
Dude, they're fully kitted. I've got 120 scrap and a shotgun turret.
Fuck did you do? Did you record that?
Yep. Oh, no. What
Get
the
in.
hell?
Get in, get in. Doesn't matter. We need to make bags, like, right now. Put all this...
List. Okay.
Wait, let me clear
I
it.
cleared it. I did.
Sorry, I just did. Sorry.
All good.
Just... Dude, what the fuck did you do? Fuck. I'm putting a code lock on.
Yep. Alright, I'm gonna make a full box. Like a big box. That's so lucky, honestly. They're all intertwined so well. You locked them out of their base. They had to come up.
Yeah, what the
up
fuck,
here
dude? That was...
Because I hit one. Because I hit one that was all the way down here. He bled out as he was going up.
Dude, that's just so fucked. I'm gonna do the rest wood. Is that okay?
Oh, I've got stone here.
Oh, just the roof wood, just so we can,
Yeah.
we'll get nail guns going soon
I
now
got
too.
a metal hatchet.
Nice, dude. Anything
Oh, yeah, I
else?
see someone.
Where?
He's got stuff.
Yep,
He's,
I see him, I see him. I'm going after him.
I'm right behind you.
Which way did he run? Went right, I think.
Yep.
Really?
Yeah, I think he would have went right.
Yeah, let's go over here. Anyway.
Oh yeah, here he is.
Where?
Hit him.
Oh, dude. I can't get up.
He headshot me.
Come down to me.
I'm down.
Fuck, I can't get
He went
up.
up the hill. He went up the hill, dude.
Fuck,
I
dude.
can't do anything.
Oh my god, as soon as I jump down too.
I'm
Whereabouts?
close.
That's you, that's you. Up here, up here. Come show me where.
Up here.
Yep, I see him.
I'll try to distract.
Yeah, distract the fucking cunt. I'm hit.
Headshot.
I headshot him, he's dead.
Nice, okay. There was a guy farming with a rock. So you gotta be careful.
I'm being careful.
Oh.
Wood? 100 fags, I was gonna say. I did say.
Eggs.
Fuck.
And what do you want to say to Beat?
I'll give you a bucket of chicken for a hand job.
Wow, he likes you sexually.
That's racist. Not me. I ain't gay, motherfucker.
I still said it. Someone's outside? I think. Or are you bandaging?
I was bandaging.
Oh, that's what that was. He's dead. Wait, let me farm the node real quick. Wow. Thanks for the wood.
I'm getting...
Yeah. I'm going
I'm
left,
taking around
you
this
go
way.
right.
He's running.
Which way?
Bar.
Got a bucket helmet.
I think he ran into the bush.
Who's shooting?
Oh, they're behind us. 2 gear guys. Don't.
Oh,
Just
really?
run.
Thought so.
2
Run.
gear. They have crossbows, I think.
No, they...
Unless you want to try to take them.
Oh, let's... Yeah. Wait, just
Where
wait.
do you want to take them?
Here, come back behind this rock. From here.
Oh,
Crouch.
How many arrows? How many nails do you have?
Enough. Gonna craft some more. Don't see him.
They're quite far behind.
Here
Yeah,
they are. Go for the one left guy first. I'm going for the... There's 3 of them.
Hit him again. Hit him again. Down.
One's down. I'm hit. There's one left.
Yeah, no. I see him.
It's dead. All dead.
Dude! We just killed all of them. Loot up. They have full gear sets.
Fire.
I'm wearing wolf helmet now.
Where's the other guy?
I
need to
killed
heal
them.
up.
I killed them all.
Where's the bodies?
killed
I
them
killed
all,
one
dude.
here too. Yeah.
Yep, I've looted these 2. Did you get all the
Oh,
stuff
let's
on
go.
that
Let's go.
one?
Dude,
Did you get all the
we
stuff on that one?
just took out a trio. Yeah, I got it all. Let's go. Go to base. It's in meds. It's like the easier place to go. Dude. I am OP. You are OP too. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Put
I
all
hit
your
that guy 3 times in a
resources.
row, that's crazy.
Yeah.
All the resources.
Dude, they didn't know what just happened. I don't know.
Making
How's
another
that?
box as we speak.
Hello?
What's going on?
What are you fucking doing, cunt? What?
Mate, I've got like an hour and a half.
I got a
I
base
just
up
jumped on.
and I'm playing with Puggle.
Dude, I have a Python.
What the fuck? Do you have a base?
I found it at the gas station. No, I literally just spawned and walked
Which
to the
gas station?
Now I'm hiding.
Which gas station?
Fucking
L19. L19?
I-20. L19.
L20?
Shit.
L20?
I-20. I-20. I'm in H20 now.
I-20? That's a supermarket.
Oh, shh. I think there's someone around. Oh.
Run!
No, I found it at the supermarket. You're right.
K19. I'm in the middle of K19. I'm in the middle.
Someone's coming.
I'm coming. Fuck
Yeah.
this. I'm coming to help you. Fuck it, I'm on my
People
way.
here.
Follow me, Puggle. Follow me.
Go with me.
Let me take the ammo out. Alright, come in.
I've only got a little bit of scrap on me, by the way.
Doesn't matter.
This is all the scrap that I have. You want to pick it up?
Fuck, nice, dude.
Oh no. Oh no.
Double barrel, double barrel.
We can't
He shot him, he's dead.
He's dead.
Oh my god.
A double
So
barrel.
much wood.
I got a
I
double barrel.
grabbed
You guys need me to loot? You're all good? I'm covering.
Yeah, loot if you want.
Wait, won't hurt yourself.
I'm above you guys.
Is that you in the water? Shoot, run. There's a guy to the
No,
left.
I'm above you. I'm above you.
I mean, Puggle, there's a guy to your left.
Oh yeah, I see.
Come back, don't run off. Don't run off.
Waiting for you guys. There's two gear guys.
I can't get in the water. I can't help you. You've gone and left us. I can't do anything.
I killed one.
Killed one. Alright, I'm coming. Nice work.
Headshot him. I'm hit though.
Kill that guy. I'm coming. Survive.
Guy behind us.
He's dead.
Nice.
There's another guy. Oh my god, this guy's fucking
Killed him.
full.
With this guy.
Guys, I can't grab all this.
Guys,
Where's the airdrop? Airdrop landed in the middle.
Oh, I'm just getting nailed. I'm getting fucked up.
Yep.
Oh, I killed him.
Nice.
Got double barrel.
There's a guy here.
I'm bandaging up.
Is he grabbing the airdrop?
There's a naked there.
Someone shoot.
I'm killing him.
Hit him.
He's dead.
He's down.
There's another guy
Okay,
here.
go for it.
Okay.
Jump.
Guys, I've just killed 2 guys on my side. I'm on like 30 HP.
He's dead. Alright, go for the airdrop. Someone go for the airdrop.
Both you guys are gonna have to. I'm on 20 HP.
Yeah, I'm on 19. I'll go for it.
Bandaging.
Got double barrel shotgun.
Someone's shooting at me. Someone's shooting at me.
It's not me.
Yeah, let's
Okay,
go. Get across.
Todd,
Get behind.
You get it. You.
I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Just a nail gun. Explosive shells. Shells.
Get the double barrel and bullets on him. Middle frags.
You make chests right now.
I'm making
Run
chests.
But all of us should make a chest. Let's do it.
Can you jump out of the way, please?
Yeah, got it.
Thank you.
back. Making a
I'm
chest.
gonna build it here as well.
Yep. Chucking it in.
2, 1 second.
There's one here. Look, chuck it all on. Oh, we gotta go back, guys.